1946 Packard Clipper 6 or 2100 series touring sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 245 cubic inch L head 6-cylinder underneath the hood. That is paired up with a manual transmission. Go ahead and take a look at the front chrome and bright work. Gentleman actually drove this car about 100 miles to us and consigned it. Wanted us to represent it and sell it for him. Now, of course, this hood, depending on how you released it, passenger or driver side, will fold either way when it opens. Or you could unhook it from both sides, lift the hood completely off. Take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you could call us, 507-386-1726. Kind of a medium green paint. Newer interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Kind of a gray-green combination. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear bumper does show some age, some pitting, delamination of the chrome. And you can take your time looking through the pictures, look at the trunk, interior, your undersides. uniqueclassiccars.com. Point out we do have a touched up kind of gouge or scratch there. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Won't see a lot of these out there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this rear seat and interior also. Get an idea how spacious these were. That long nose and large passenger compartment. Doors don't sound like that when they close anymore, huh? Bed liner. Of course, these would be a 6-bolt system. Let's go ahead and turn it over. No push button, turn of the key. There we go. Of course, manual transmission, shifter on the column. Little aftermarket gauge added for water temperatures, you can see under the dash. The hood releases, I was talking about on the passenger and driver side, that right there will push forward all the way to release the hood up on that side. I've released it on this side because I'm going to show you the engine bay. So it's the lever that's pushed all the way forward, right up there. Then you pull it back to lock it down. Slip around to the back so you're running. Alright, I'm going to have to pause this a second because with the size of this hood, it's going to take me 2 hands to lift that up, get the prop bar in place. Give me a second, we'll come back, check out that engine bay, wrap up this video. Now we do have a safety release right here, you can see. If we take a look over on the other side, you're going to see one right there too. So if you're pivoting it on this side and opening it from the passenger side, same thing. Or, like I said, you could release the whole thing, 2 people and lift it off there. Carb was recently gone through also. That L head. Inline 6 with 245 cubic inches on it. Pretty smooth running. Does have a battery disconnect here. 1946 Packard Clipper 6 touring sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1946 Packard Clipper. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are good and dry today, so we can do a driving video for you. On the factory gauges, this shows it is charging. Oil pressure shows 40. There is an aftermarket water temperature gauge that's approaching 150 on the gauge. Speedometer appears to be working. It does, needle bounces a little, but it works. This is a 3 on the tree. It's easy to shift. You're gonna have some wind noise. There's a little gap right here by the camera on the quarter window there. That shows we're doing about 40. Feels like it could be correct. I'm not positive. This car is really good for cruising around at lower speeds. It's really a beautiful car in good condition on the outside for sure. The interior is not bad either. I'll get up some speed for you.